Hi, this is Josh from Excitex. This tutorial video is to show you how to receive and apply your permanent license code for ProAnalyst. Okay, so let's begin. Once you've registered your software with Excitex, you should receive an email that looks something like this. It will contain your permanent license code, your serial number, your product type, and the person who registered the software. I've set up an example security key serial number here, so I'm going to take you through the process of activating your permanent license code. To use this permanent license code, you simply go to the Start menu, go to All Programs, go to ProAnalyst, and click ProAnalyst License Manager. Now that you're in License Manager, you go here to New License, and you type in your code. Once you've typed in your code, you click Check License. It says the license has no expiration date, which means it's the permanent code. Click OK. Now that it's filled this in, you click Enable License. The license has been saved, and you're all set. You'll now be able to run ProAnalyst. If you're running Windows 7, you may encounter some problems when trying to enable your permanent license code. This may be because you have insufficient permission on your user account. To get around this, you simply go to the Start menu, same process, except when you go to License Manager, instead of clicking, you right-click and go up here to Run as Administrator, and then follow the same process.